Hello, beautiful people. It's been a long time since I have made a video, but Madam Glam, this beautiful company, reached out to me recently and basically wanted me to give their stuff a try and let you guys know what I thought. So here it is. First impression, I love the box, the packaging, like gorgeous. I love the black on gold, looks beautiful. This should contain gel, top, base, and 3 colors that I picked. And then they sent this cute little lamp as well, which I honestly love having a little like individual lamp. I have one full hand lamp and then one kind of smaller one. And I really like the smaller one for just kind of individual nail art or doing one thing at a time. Sometimes I don't want to put my whole hand in at a time, so I love that. So interested to see this. Let's just get into it. Let's open it up. I'm gonna get yelled at if I use my nails, so let's use some tools here. It looks like this is potentially without a cord. Maybe there's an option, battery powered or corded option. That looks like a cord, which I'm okay with. I don't like having to be stuck to a wall, especially my house doesn't have a ton of outlets. Just readily available exactly where I need them to be, but I also hate having to go through batteries and all that. So don't mind a plug-in situation. Okay, this is super cute. The hot dog, yes, giving me city vibes, which makes sense. New York, super cute. Little light situation, probably plugs in there and probably on and off. I didn't read the packet, but it probably tells me how long it cures for. Usually those are about 30 seconds, or sometimes a minute. I think the other one I have is a minute, so perfection. Let's check actually, what does it say? Press on and off button once to activate 30 seconds, to activate 60 seconds. Okay, easy enough. All right, let's get into this beautiful thing. Looks like this end is the one to start. Does anybody just love opening packages? It's one of my favorite things to do. My day job, I teach art. And as you can imagine, you would order art supplies. So it's very often that I'm ordering supplies for school. And I love it. Hello, Glamorous. Get the situation out of here. Oh, okay. So cute. Love the pink. I don't even remember what colors I asked for. Okay. Soak off, no wipe top coat. Obviously gonna need that. Got the peel off base coat. I bet this came for here. These pop off. Almost a lot of the gels that I have, that happens to, so don't freak out if that happens to your gels. This makes sense for the company, right? Easy pop off, change the colors. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, what did I get? Let me just get this box out of here. Okay. Oh, yes. This is like a black sparkly situation. Titled, Oh, What Fun. I thought it would be great for New Year's. I think I'm definitely going to use this. This super hot, like fuchsia color. One of my students actually suggested this. I told her, I was like, I can't decide. Help me decide what color to use. So, which is Because I Said So, which I kind of like, kind of hate. I don't really love that phrase as a parent, but it's kind of funny at the same time. So, love the color. Maybe those two together. Not sure. Kind of wanted to use white too. And then let's see this one. Can we leave? And again, I'm a sucker for a funny name, so let's check them out. See what they look like. Okay, that's pretty. Super sparkly. I don't know if it's focusing at all. Grab a swatch. I don't put base coat on my gel swatches. I think you're supposed to, but I just go for it. Ooh, a little bit more blue than I thought. I thought it was gonna be more purple. But again, this is one coat. Oh, I don't even have anything hooked up to like cure this right now. I'm just going for it. I'll plug in that little baby lamp and see what happens. Interesting. Yeah, a little bit darker than I anticipated, but still beautiful. All right, let's plug in this guy. I'm so unprepared for this. I might actually just use my other lamp. Hold on, peeps. Okay, I got that one curing. Let's check another one out. Probably do another coat on that one, so I'll leave that guy. Let's look at this beauty. A little thick. Stir her up a little bit. This happens sometimes. There we go. Better. This is such a beautiful deep color. Ooh, okay. This might need to be happening. One coat, that's beautiful. Look at that. Oh, I love that. That's like pure fuchsia magenta right there. Love it, love it. All right, I'm gonna give this guy one more coat and see what she looks like. I'm sorry, I keep bumping my table. This over like a white would be stunning. Or if you did like this on the tip over a white. Hard to tell, I was kind of in a dark room right now, but that's actually really beautiful. Really glittery, very sparkly. So the Madam Glam was so kind to send me these gorgeous colors and also provide a link for you for 30% off your order. The link, I'll link it down below. But if you click the link, it'll take you directly to the website and the discount will be applied at checkout. Just make sure that you are choosing to bypass the VIP option. That'll get you the 30% off right away. And I'll include that in the bio below. Give this a little shake as well. But that way you guys can get some of these gorgeous colors yourselves. I'll test them out on my nails. Do a little New Year situation here. I don't know, maybe white with this. I'm kind of digging a black or a dark something. And this with the sparkle is intriguing to me. Although I also love the idea of gold. But that purple. This is how my brain works, you guys. I'm like, but. Alright, let's check that out. It is really hard to see in camera, but there's a lot of different color sparkles happening. And the black almost has like a purple tint to it. Let's cure it and see what happens. Okay, I think I need to use this. You kidding me? That's beautiful. Okay, yep. This might have to be the color that I use. But I love this color. This is really, really stunning. Okay, I'm gonna get myself set up here and do a little situation on these bad boys. And then you guys can see what's up. Perfect. All right, I got the swatches done. And the top coat is like really shiny, like really, really nice. I'm doing a really bad job of holding these. Okay, there you go. You can see them a little bit better. So I did do a little dip action and I got them shaped with Agave from Revel Nail. I thought it'd go really nice with this. So I'm gonna go in and add that here and here. And I'll do that for you guys. All right, let's get into it. So I'll start with the base coat. I did apply Peelbase. I use West Coast. I've used a couple different brands and I honestly feel they're all pretty much the same. When you're using a base or a Peelbase, just find one that, like, try one and try a couple different like layers and amounts. I've found of the different ones that I've used, like 1 to 2 layers has been a pretty good amount for Peelbase. So give it a try. Try the different thicknesses. And it kind of depends on what you want to, like how long you want it to last. But I don't know if Peelbase was kind of a game trying to figure it all out. So just get my little base coat action here. I feel like I was doing gel manis all wrong because I was not doing base coat. Okay, I'm gonna cure off camera. Can somebody explain to me why the 90 seconds it takes to cure my nail feels like 10 years? I feel like it always takes so long. I'm just staring into the abyss of nothing. Okay, let's get some of this color on here. Ooh, what was this one called again? Can we leave? Oh, this one is a shout out to my husband because we are kind of opposites in terms of social gatherings. Or I should say I love them and would go to all and every single one that I was invited to, if my life allowed. And my husband is more the, can we leave? So this one's for him. Can you see that? Okay, do the other one quick. And we'll give this bad boy a cure. This actually looks really similar to a mooncap polish that I recently got that I love, that I used this summer. Sorry, I need a little balance action here. That had glitters like this, but more like of a shifty, I don't know, did it shift to like purple? I have to look again. Okay. Giving those little, that actually looks really nice. Okay, little hang upside down. And a cure. All right, we're back. Do second coat here. I'm just gonna balance on this guy so you guys can see, but so that I can also see. I also like to wait to do my pinky because my pinkies always seem to flood, and I do them last so that they have less time to wait. We're a little bit closer, pushing the brush to my cuticles. I guess this turned into a how-to video as well. Okay. 2 coats seems to be pretty good. I went a little darker on the first coat on this one, but I don't mind. Clean this up here. I do sound effects for everything. And I notice that my kids also now do sound effects for everything. And I kind of love it. Oops. That was a lot. I forgot these were new. This is giving me very like Frozen, Snow, Elsa vibes. And I'm not normally a blue person, but this is really nice. Okay, I got really messy there. But we cleaned it up and it is fine. Sorry for the accent there. I'm weird about accents. I'm actually really bad normally at making accents, and I don't do them. But I do sound effects. All right. Hang them upside down for a second. I think this just kind of helps settle it. I don't know, more round since my nails are long. I don't know. But I'm going to do another cure action here. All right, cured that. I'm going to go ahead and do, this is the part that I think I always get wrong. But I'm pretty sure you're supposed to do base coat before top coat. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Today I'm going to, because my body's telling me to. I don't know if it makes a difference. I mean, it does make a difference, but I can't remember which is the right one, because both seem to be fine for me. Okay, I'm gonna do a pretty thin base coat action. Another thin base coat here. I'm going kind of fast because my daughter woke up from her nap. and she's not feeling very well, so trying to make this speedy. All right, last stop, I guess. Last step, top coat. Wow, why was that so hard for me to say? Okay, let's get some top coat on here. I think I'm going to try to do some Mermaid chrome on top of the Agave to give it just a little bit of something, something. Might throw some gems. I don't know. I get crazy sometimes. We'll see how this ends up. But for using these gels, I'm really happy with these. They're really low odor. There's another brand that I really like to use, but they smell so bad. And so these don't have that stink to them. They have that smell like they're gel, but it doesn't like give you a headache. So that's good. And they're thick, but not in a bad way. Like I can manipulate it easy, not too thin where I feel like it's pooling everywhere. Definitely little mistakes on my end because I was rushing a little bit there, but overall really nice. All right, let's cure these. All right, I finished these bad boys up. I did a Mermaid unicorn, I don't know, whatever kind of chrome on top of the Agave that I did on the dip powder here. If you guys have any tips, I have done so many different chrome manis, and the chrome that I have, it has like the glitter, and I can never get rid of all these little glitter pieces. This one was the best one, and it's still not great. But I don't care. This is just for me. It's not a big deal. If I was doing somebody else's nails, this would drive me nuts, but I think they look great together. I love this set. I live in Wisconsin, and we got to below -40, maybe even more than that this past week. So this is definitely feeling, icy, snowy vibes for winter. I'm gonna add some cuticle oil here. These are my scales. If you haven't used Scales of a Mermaid, you need to. They're so good. So good. My new favorite cuticle brand. I have their lotion and sugar scrubs body oils too, and I just love them. The scents are really good. There's only a few scents that I've gotten that I wouldn't even say disappointed in. I would just say not my jam. One that I thought I was really gonna like that I didn't. But out of the many that I have, one disappointment is fine by me. So I am very happy with this. This is from their newest release. No big deal. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I can't remember what the notes were listed there. Sorry, I keep sniffing my hand. But I think it's some type of rose. That's what sold me on it because I really like rose. Yes, so I love this new scent from them. Definitely check them out. Sorry, I'll stop rubbing my hand so you can see. But yeah, I was definitely impressed with Madam Glam. I will try them again for sure. This color, I kept saying I was going to use these two, and I ended up using this one. But hey, that's what happens. That's my life. I really liked the base and the top coat. Like, the top coat is so shiny. I know videos never do it justice, but the top coat was very shiny. You can kind of see it a little bit better maybe in the swatches. So again, I will leave a code for you in the links, or I'll leave a link in the description below so that you can get 30% off. And remember, you just have to follow that link directly, and it'll be applied at checkout. So I hope you guys have had a wonderful holiday, Christmas if you celebrate. New Year's is coming up. I'm ready for a new year, a new start. And I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, afternoon, night, and I will check you later.